This video shows you how to use different pieces of technology to calculate permutations, combinations, and factorials. First one I'll use is Web 2.0 calc.com. On the web screen, you'll see that this is in scientific notation mode. What I want to do is change this to programmer mode. On the far left, there's NCR, which stands for combinations, and NPR, which is permutations. First problem I will do is a permutation problem of 8 things taken 3 at a time. I'll type the 8, permutation, and then 3. The answer is 336. Next, I'll calculate a combination of 8 things taken 7 at a time. So I click 8, combination, 7. Hit enter. The answer is 8. The third one is factorial. I'll clear this off. Go 6 factorial, and you'll notice there's no factorial button in here, so we use shift exclamation mark, and the answer is 720. Now to repeat those on MathWay. MathWay will automatically default to algebra, and you need to change this to statistics. Now I'm going to see that there's a permutation and combination button that arose. The first one is a permutation. I click permutation and I type the 8 on the far left-hand question mark and the 3 in the right. You'll see there's several windows that open. One of them will have your answer, which is 336. Next, I'm doing the combination problem, a combination of 8 things taken 7 at a time is 8. And the third one is 6 factorial, and they do have an exclamation button right down here. It's a little cut off, or you can just type in exclamation. And the answer is 720. Now I'm going to shift over to using graphing calculators and a standard calculator. Now I'm going to shift over to a graphing calculator. On the graphing calculator, most of the menu items are under math. So I'm first going to type in the 8 for the permutation, math, and I'll arrow over to PRB, which is probability, and down to number 2 for permutation. I'll type in the 3 for 8 things taken 3 at a time, and have 336. For the combination problem, I type 8, math, arrow over to probability, down to combination, and 7 is the next value. So the answer is 8. Now for 6 factorial, go 6, math, over to probability, down to the exclamation, and the answer is 720. Now for the inexpensive calculators. First, let's turn it on, and I will begin with the permutation problem. 8 things, PRB for probability. Oh, let's see, it's right on permutation right now, so I hit enter. I type 3, and there is the answer of 336. For combination, 8, PRB, arrow over so that it's underlined at combination, hit enter, type 7, hit enter. For the factorial problem, similarly, we go 6, PRB, arrow over to the exclamation mark, hit enter, enter again. There are many forms of technology that you can utilize. These are the common 4 that I find students use.